must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Educationists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, moral leadership among students and become their role models. These are the great words by Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Good afternoon to all. Today, 11th November is National Education Day. National Education Day is celebrated every year. On this day, in memory of the contribution of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, the first Education Minister of independent India. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, one of the main regulators and founders of institutions of higher education in the country, such as All India Council for Technical Education, University Grants Commission, Indian Institute of Technology. The day serves as a reminder to know the significance of our education in our lives for building a strong and prosperous country. If our education system is strong and advanced, then our country will be prosperous. On this day, the government also organizes various programs related to education. Education is the key to unlock the golden paths. We should also give our participation on this day and encourage people for education. Education is the cornerstone of human progress and development, a journey that empowers individuals to unlock their potential and shape a brighter future. It is the pursuit of knowledge, the cultivation of skill, and the nurturing of curiosity that spans a lifetime. Jai Hind.